by our Mayor Ted Green, the East Orange Rec Department, and their wonderful staff. Illtown Sluggaz, KG and Vinny, myself, and Brandon. There's a lot that goes into this every Tuesday and Wednesday, so we appreciate the support. But back to the action. Payne, take him to steal.
Snatchy.
Down Death Valley. Lady!
Little Jalen Green. Look at little Jalen. Oh, you can't stop.
Payne Tech on the advance.
Bang him.
Payne Tech with he smoked the layup. Weequahic coming on the advance. We back at it.
Go.
Big shout out to the city council also. As I was rambling, how can I forget? No tech with it,
number 3. What you gonna do, LaRue?
No tech with it. He said, I'm trying to handle, coach. I need somebody to turnover.
That's the beat.
Hillside ball with a 13-11 lead. Hillside on the bench. No tech on the pressure. No tech on the pressure. Butterfingers.
Got him, oh! If you hit
That's not pull up. No, nothing there. Rebound, no tech. They off and running, looking like the Rebels. Turnover.
I gotta slow down.
Out of bounds. Stepped out of bounds. Over here in court 2. Weequahic with it.
That's how you feel. That's how you feel.
Ching ching. Payne Tech would have been. Weequahic being physical. Okay. Layup, Payne.
Yeah.
We got action. Back and forth. Up and down. Round and around. Weequahic. Layup. No. Payne Tech rebound. Payne Tech pushing. Payne Tech laying. Payne Tech flashing. Payne Tech up 3. Weequahic right back at it. Coming up that left sideline. He said, chill, youngin. Mind your business. Over to 0. He said, work out, Zai. That's what they said, work out, Zai. Work out, Zai.
Snatchy.
I don't even know what they said.
Twin.
0 with it.
Twin.
Cross me. Pass, dump off, nothing. Still, Payne Tech. Payne Tech up and running. Quarter jumper, good. Payne Tech up 5. 50 seconds to go in the quarter. Number 3 with it. Up, dribble, up tween, cross, pull up, rebound, shoot. Payne Tech ball.
35 seconds, y'all.
Substitution. Over here on court 1, North Tech with it. Dribble handoff. Pull up at the foul line.
Russell.
He did not call back. I'm not sure if that was. They take 15-13 lead. Next time, you got to pick a bank. Wells Fargo, Chase, somebody. Big fella for 3, so I can answer that. Ching-ching. Number it. North Tech, jump driving. Basket is good.